Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make videos in Perplexity. This is a fantastic feature that lets you create AI-generated videos directly from text prompts, opening up creative possibilities without needing complex video editing software. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to perplexity.ai. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Simply enter your login details to access the platform. This step is essential as it gives you access to all of Perplexity's features and your personalized workspace. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main interface. Look toward the center of your screen where you'll see the main chat input box. This is where all the magic happens. Click into this box and type your video prompt. For example, you could type something like, create a relaxing video of a panda playing a grand piano inside a cozy wooden cafe. The more descriptive and specific your prompt is, the better Perplexity can understand what kind of video you're looking to create. Now, here's an important point to mention. I'm currently using the free account, and to actually generate videos, you'll need to upgrade to Perplexity Pro. The free version has its limitations, and video creation is one of those premium features that requires a subscription. So if you're serious about making videos with Perplexity, you'll want to consider upgrading to unlock this capability. The Pro version gives you access to advanced AI models and features like video generation that aren't available on the free tier. Assuming you have Perplexity Pro, let's continue. Once you've typed your prompt into the chat box, press Enter on your keyboard or click the Submit button. This sends your request to Perplexity's AI system, which will begin processing your video creation request. Now you'll need to wait for a few seconds while Perplexity generates your video. The processing time can vary depending on the complexity of your prompt and the current server load, so be patient. You'll typically see some kind of progress indicator or message letting you know that your video is being created. This is a good moment to sit back and let the AI do its work. Once the video generation is complete, it will appear in your chat interface. You can preview it right there to see if it matches what you had in mind. If you're happy with the result and want to save it to your device, simply click the download button. This will save the video file directly to your computer, making it easy to use in presentations, social media posts, or any other creative projects you have in mind. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create videos using Perplexity's AI-powered video generation feature. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.